Hello, I'm Manu Ruiz from Almeria, Spain. I have been playing drums for around 20 years with more or less cadence. I have a channel on YouTube and Instagram where I upload drum covers as an independent artist, but I also play in a post-hardcore band called Me Ofendes Diciembre. I use the 5B Reach Collision Drumstick for the resistant hardness, grip, length and sound. All of these characteristics have surprised me in a very positive way. Coming soon in February with my band, we will record our first EP at Wheel Sound Studios in Barcelona, and we will present it throughout these months on a different dates that we already have closed. Soon there will be more news, and this is it. It's a pleasure to be a part of the Collision family, and I hope it will be for a long time.